internet came, it brought so much revolution. It has इसकी वजह से कितनी बड़ी economy चल रही है अभी, right? Because of social media, so much of big economy is running, and because of AI, even bigger economy is coming. Okay, it's going to be applicable for all the professional jobs as well as businesses. So you'll be learning. So once we understand there is so much of scope, you'll get better at using that. How about India? So that was about global, but in India alone, it is projected that it's going to be a 70,000 crore industry, okay, contributing to IT and many other jobs. Okay, not only that, because many of you might be working as working professionals, as you mentioned in the chat, right, about your profession. Let me share with you. These are some news articles which were published. AI related job listings in India have surged 150% in the last 5 years. So some people fear, okay, now AI is going to take away jobs. Already it has started taking some jobs. But let me tell you, every new technology, I'll tell you some funny fact, okay, some interesting fact, some of you might know about this. You know what, when calculators came in, जो calculator आप दुकान में जाते हो and you see that calculator, right? When calculators came for the first time, you know what, people protested that banned the calculators. They thought, okay, people who are doing accounting work, their jobs will get lost. Okay, that was the thing. But you see, people were spending a lot of time on doing basic calculations. Calculators came in, उससे काम आसान हुआ, the work got easier, and then these same people moved on to do something even more interesting and more advanced stuff, like advanced accounting. So what happens is whenever a new technology comes in, initially people fear a lot about that technology, but once they adopt that technology, there are crazy opportunities that will get opened up. Just imagine a world without internet today. We cannot remain for a second, right, without internet services, right, without WhatsApp, without social media, without YouTube, without whatever we are using, right? So it's impossible to live right now without internet. But when internet came in, people protested about internet as well. Can you believe that? Same is the case with AI. It has got its own pros and cons at this stage. Some people are losing the jobs, but in the long term, even if you heard recently, our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, said in a public statement, he is on a world tour visit, right, with US and many other European countries. He said, every new technology comes in, it creates more jobs than it takes, right? So if you want to take advantage of such opportunities, you need to be aware of what's happening in the world. And you know what? There is a statistic, okay, there is a data to prove that. You see, this is an article that was published in Times of India sometime back. Employees with AI skills to get at least 54% salary hike. Can you believe that? So if you are an AI skilled professional, you will have better advantage in the industry. You will get better job opportunities. In fact, Elon Musk, I believe everybody now knows Elon Musk, right? He says AI will not replace you, but a person using AI will. I'll give you a simple example. If you just understand this one thing from this entire 90-minute masterclass, then it's all worth it. Okay? Yeah. Imagine you are a business owner. Some of you are already a business owners here, but everybody for a moment, imagine you are a business owner. And now you want to hire a person for a marketing manager role. Okay, you want to hire a person for a marketing manager role. There is this person A who comes in for the interview. उसका interview लेते हो. You like the qualifications, the educational background, the skill sets, experience, and all of that, right? Now you like this person A, but then after person A, the person B also comes in for the interview. You take that person's interview. You are impressed with the qualifications, the skill sets, experience of this person B as well. However, this person B knows how to use AI tools for marketing. This person knows how to use advanced LLM chatbots for designing marketing strategies, not only designing them, but executing them and getting better results for the companies, whatever products or marketing strategies they are working. So this person A with just the marketing knowledge, okay? And this person B with marketing plus AI knowledge. So this person is AI powered marketer. This is AI skilled marketer. Which person will you logically hire? Person A with only the marketing knowledge or person B with the marketing and AI knowledge? What will be your logical choice if you were to hire one of this person? Let me know in the chat section. Let me know in the chat section. Person B, right? Come on, everybody, let me know in the chat. In fact, that is the only thing I ask of you in this masterclass, that be active in the chat. Let's not make this session like a monotonous one way. Let's have a two-way communication, right? So that I know you're listening to me, you're here, you're attending, you're focused, and you're actually grasping the concepts, right? Right? Person B, because it makes a lot of sense, right? it makes a lot of sense to have a person who knows AI, the latest stuff, who can deliver better results, faster results for a company. And you know what? That has already started. That has already started. If you have just seen a latest news, Zomato, okay, Dipinder Goyal, the CEO of Zomato, you might be using Zomato, right, for food ordering. He has mentioned that all the future hires in Zomato will be preferable, they will be preferring people with AI skills along with whatever the core skills are, marketing, sales, digital marketing. If a person has AI skills, they'll be preferring that candidate. If you can just check that out, you can do that later. In fact, majority of the companies have already started preferring the candidates with AI knowledge. Okay, it may not be technical AI knowledge, but it is expected that you have application based AI knowledge. How do you apply AI tools, AI skill sets into your current work? Okay, so there is a huge opportunity for you if you can become AI skilled. In fact, by the end of this masterclass, if you just learn, if you just make it a commitment to yourself that yes, you want to become an AI skilled professional, then this masterclass is well worth it, along with the bonus of learning AI tools. But let me tell you, you can do a simple Google search, an AI tool for XYZ. There are more than 10,000 plus AI tools in the market right now. More than 10,000 plus AI tools in the market. Can you believe that? Okay, for different use cases. But not every tool is good, not every tool is bad. You need to find out the right tool for your right use cases. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be sharing with you some right tools for your right use cases in this masterclass. And certainly, if you wish to continue learning with me on a daily basis about new AI tools, I'm here for you. I'll be giving you an opportunity to join our community, and you can keep learning daily with me. Right? Let me tell you why you should be learning these AI tools, because they help you boost your productivity. They help you save a lot of the time. It can literally save you 30 to 80% of your time. Many of our community members, so we at Growthify have a community of more than 10,000 enrolled members into our programs and our daily sessions and all of that. So many of the members are using AI tools on a consistent basis in their work, in their business, in their career, for their income growth as well. Because this is an early mover advantage. If you can learn AI, it's going to be fantastic. So ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? I'm not going to go deeper into this, but ChatGPT is, some of you might have heard it, some of you might have maybe used it, right? And very few of you might have not used it still. If you have not used it, don't worry. Just go to the website called chatgpt.com and you'll be able to use it. It's basically a Q&A chatbot, but a very intelligent chatbot. Now, recently you must have seen the news that there is another tool called DeepSeek, okay, that has come in the market, right? China has released basically its own model called DeepSeek. It's smarter in a way because it has this capability of deep thinking. What are these chatbots? Let me break it down in a very simple language for all of you. So these chatbots are nothing but they have knowledge and they have intelligence, both of these. Before ChatGPT came in, there were chatbots. उसको आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लो, एक प्री प्रोग्राम्ड या प्री डिफाइंड आंसर करता था. Okay, if you ask this question, it will give you a defined answer. But with ChatGPT, what happened is the OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, gathered a lot of data, publicly available data from the internet. They trained this ChatGPT, basically this chatbot, on that data. They have their own algorithms. So वहाँ पर उसने बहुत सारा knowledge gather किया, and they have this own intelligence in terms of algorithms and the training models. And now when you ask a question, it gives you a very smart answer, a very structured answer. Okay, that was a big difference, and that's what has made ChatGPT one of the fastest growing AI apps in the world, with more than 30 crore users right now, okay, as we speak today. Okay, so we are going to be learning so many advanced AI tools as well in this masterclass, but DeepSeek is one such tool, and ChatGPT, as you know. Okay, this is a funny image, but I like to give this example, almost every time. You see, you might be aware of ChatGPT, you might be aware of AI tools, but maybe you might have used it 1 or 2 times, or maybe for some use cases. But I really wish that you become a champion user of a ChatGPT, not be a basic user, become a champion user. What is a champion user? A champion user is someone who uses AI tools on a daily basis for his or her career, business, and income growth. So before moving forward, I'm curious to know, what is your current situation? What is your current status of using AI tools? Are you a basic AI tools user? That means kabhi na kabhi aapne sirf suna hai, maybe you've created an account and you're not using it on a daily basis. So you are a basic or a beginner user. If you're using AI tools almost on a daily basis, then you are maybe an intermediate, like, or I would say daily user. Or if you're using ChatGPT for almost majority of your work, like more than 50-70% of your work, then you are an advanced user. So what is your current usage level? Let me know in the chat section, not only about ChatGPT, but about all the other AI tools. So many of you are saying basic users. Okay, basic users. Some of you are saying intermediate users. What is your current state? Let me know. Let me know in the chat section. Basic users. Many of you are basic users who have used maybe ChatGPT once or twice, or kabhi jab yaad aayega tab use kar rahe, right? And I can see very few of you are advanced users. Some of you are in the intermediate. So I would say, looking at the chat, it's like 50 to 60% of the members are basic users, 20%, 20 to 30% are intermediate users, and 10% of the members are advanced users. Awesome. Thank you so much for your honesty. Thank you for sharing that openly. Because let me tell you, whatever stage you are currently in, basic user, fantastic. You have got so much scope to learn. Even if you're an intermediate user, you have so many advanced AI tools to use. If you're an advanced user, you can even still keep learning, because every day, if you are reading in the world, like a world of AI news, new AI tools, new models, new use cases are coming up. So it's literally catch up with the latest things, right? So there is always something more for you to learn, whatever your current stage be. Okay. In fact, one of the world's smartest person and richest person, Bill Gates, he has published a blog recently, okay, where he had mentioned that the age of AI has begun. Okay. So I would encourage that you read this. So I'll give you a summary. Okay, it's a long article, but I'll give you a summary. I'll make your work easier. What he has mentioned in that blog is, everybody, whether you're a student, whether you're a software engineer, whether you're a lawyer, digital marketer, whoever you might be, learn AI, because that's the new definition of being literate, okay, in today's world. If someone doesn't know how to use digital tools today, that person lags behind. And already in this time and in coming months to years, if you don't know how to use AI tools, you will be left behind. So he's saying, learn AI tools, learn AI use cases, and implement them if you want to stay relevant in today's world. Don't be a dinosaur. Like dinosaurs went, extinct. Kyun chale gaye dinosaurs? What did happen, right? Because they could not adopt to the environment. Us time ka jo environment tha, they could not adopt and they got extinct, right? So he is recommending that everybody adopt to AI and make advantage of AI. Do not be left behind, right? So that's what he's saying. And now, let me tell you, by the way, all the members who might have joined us recently, stay until the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you a special gift, a guide which I've created, which is Meta AI Guide, which is going to help you understand how you can use Meta AI. Okay, a tool which is available on the WhatsApp for free of cost for everybody. If you might be using it right now, but there are some strategies and tricks using which you can make it your personal assistant, and you can do a lot with it almost on a daily basis. You can use it for a lot of use cases. So I've created this guide specially for all the people who are curious, who are committed, and will stay until the end of this masterclass. So stay until the end of the masterclass for this, and also you will have an opportunity to keep learning with me. We are right now, we are Growthify. Okay, we are right now India's highest rated AI learning community. So we have members learning from all different professions and backgrounds, learning with us through our programs, courses daily. So you will also get the chance to keep learning with me along with this. Okay. So now let's move on to the first use case. Okay, first use case of this. How can you use? By the way, how can you use ChatGPT and other AI tools, which can help you grow a lot in your current thing? Okay. So let me ask you. How many of you would love to create content for your social media handles? How many of you would love to create content for your social media handles? Let me know in the chat, please. Let me know in the chat, please. How many of you would love to create content? So many of you, right? So many of you. Okay. For social media, maybe for your LinkedIn, maybe for your Instagram. Can I share with you one tool which can help you create content for your LinkedIn? Okay, because we are more interested in our career growth, our business growth, our income growth. And you know what? You can do that certainly through other social media platforms. But what if you can create content on LinkedIn? Because it will open up so many opportunities for you, because it can help you get clients, it can help you build credibility, and it can help you position yourself as a thought leader in that topic, in that domain, right? So my simple question to you is, are you creating content on LinkedIn currently? Yes or no? Are you creating articles? Are you writing articles? Are you writing posts on LinkedIn? Yes or no in the chat, please. Honestly, I would love for you to share that honestly. I love honesty. So please share that. Some of you are saying yes, most of you are saying no. I'm going to share with you a tool in next one or 2 minutes, which can help you create LinkedIn articles in few seconds. You'll be mind blown with that. Okay, so please, before that, let me know in the chat. Awesome. Come on, let me know in the chat section. Come on, let the chat box be buzzing. Let me know, because that helps me understand the overall sentiment of the members we have here. Okay, so come on, let me know. I'm going to share with you a tool. Okay, awesome. Some of you are saying, most of you are saying no, some of you are saying yes. No issues. Okay, today in this, okay, we'll be covering one of the tool. Okay, we'll be covering one of the tool which can help you create this content on your LinkedIn immediately, like in next few seconds. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to share with you. Just allow me a few moments. I'm just going to open that for you, and I'm going to show you that. Yes, here we go. I'm going to start sharing my screen. And I'm going to share all these tools by the end of this masterclass. Okay, so here we go. The first tool that I want to share with you. Come on, let's focus here. Okay, let's focus here. First, understand how to use these tools. Okay, first understand how to use these tools, and then by the end of the masterclass, I'm going to share with you one document which will contain the URLs. Okay, the links of all these tools that we are going to be discussing. First understand. So there is this tool called the Free LinkedIn Post Generator. What this tool does is it's going to help you write a LinkedIn post within seconds. What you need to do is, you see, when you come to this URL, you just click on this button called Generate with AI. And by the way, please stay focused. I won't be able to repeat the tools again and again because we have a lot of content to cover. So please try to understand in the first attempt itself. Okay. So I'm going to click on this button called Generate with AI. And here, you just need to mention the topic. You just need to mention the topic about which you want to write a LinkedIn post. So even if you are not clear on what topic to write about, okay, no issues. You can use ChatGPT for generating the topics list. Okay, I'll just give you, say for example, I'm just going to write a very basic prompt. So you can just mention I'm working as a software engineer so that the topics are relevant. Okay. So now we are going to take a list of topics from ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm going to pick up one of the topic from the list which ChatGPT has recommended. I'm simply going to copy it. I'm going to paste the topic here. Okay, I'm going to paste the topic, and you see how simple it is. Just click on this button called Select a Template. Okay, and by the way, don't worry about plagiarism or anything of that sort. These tools generate very good content which you can directly publish on LinkedIn without any worries. Okay, so you just click on this button called Select Template. Now you see, writing posts on LinkedIn. Okay, writing posts on LinkedIn is going to be very beneficial, and there are different formats, or I would say styles, of writing posts, text posts or image posts on LinkedIn. So this tool gives you all these different styles of writing posts on your LinkedIn. Okay, and by the way, this tool is completely free of cost, right? So you can choose one of the template that you feel is right for your topic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one here, and by the way, there are more than 25 templates available for you to use. I'm just scrolling down. Can you see that? So many different templates, so many different styles of writing content on LinkedIn. So I'm going to scroll to the top. I'm going to say select this template. This looks interesting. I'm going to select this. That's it. I just give a topic and it's going to select a template. Okay, I just selected a template. I'm going to click on generate a post. And it will take a few seconds. And in next few seconds, this tool is going to give me a LinkedIn post, which I can simply copy and post it on my LinkedIn. Obviously, I can make my own changes in that as per my understanding and my knowledge. You see, this entire post is generated. Can you see that? This entire post is generated in few seconds. Now, if I want to add hashtags, for example, there are no hashtags here. I want to add hashtags. I'll just click on this button called AI Writing Assistant. Okay, it's very simple. Just with a single click of button, you are able to do that. Click on AI Writing Assistant. Make sure you take your cursor at the bottom of the post. Okay, click on AI Writing Assistant, right? And then click on this button called Add Hashtags. or you want to make this post longer, you want to make it shorter, you want to improve this writing, you want to add emojis, whatever it is. Or you can add your custom instruction. For example, add more information about AI tools in this post. I can do that as well, and this tool will find through the internet information about it and put it in this post, right? I'm going to click on add hashtags. Now it's going to take a few seconds. Can you see that it has added appropriate hashtags? जो topic है उसके accordingly hashtags डाल दिए. I'm going to copy this entire post. I'm simply going to go to my LinkedIn. Okay, and I'm going to click on this button called create a post. And by the way, you can check out my LinkedIn profile. You can follow that. I keep on sharing some amazing content on LinkedIn about a lot of AI use cases, AI tools. Okay, and you can just connect, and I'll be very happy to connect with you. Okay, as well. Send a connection request, and you can just continuously, because this helps me attract a lot of opportunities and business opportunities and so many things. In fact, everybody should post on LinkedIn, and the tool that I'm sharing with you, you can literally do it in just 2 minutes a day. पूरे दिन में सिर्फ 2 मिनट निकालने आपको, and you'll be able to create a post. You see, I'm going to click on this create a post. I'm going to paste this content. यहाँ पर से मैंने जो copy किया था, right? I'm going to simply paste it. Can you see that? And then I can change it obviously based on my knowledge and my customization that I want. But see, I'm happy with this right now. Can you see that? Can you believe? ये इतना बड़ा article AI ने generate किया in few seconds. Magic, right? When you think about AI, I really want you to think of magic, because that is what it is right now. It's going to help you in your career, in your business, in your income growth as well. It's magical. So I'm going to click on post. That's it. I'll just refresh my page. And can you see that just now I posted an article on my LinkedIn? Interesting with the hashtags. You too can publish posts on LinkedIn in just under 2 minutes using tools like this. Tool really doesn't matter. Let me tell you, I really want you to not only go after the tools, ki ye tool kya hai, wo tool kya hai. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing the link of this tool at the end of the masterclass, so that you will get all the tools that we're discussing in one document. But I want you to understand the possibility. That is the most important thing. I want you to understand. I want you to open up. My genuine intention is for you to understand that AI can unlock so many opportunities, and AI can enable you to do so many things in a faster way, better way for your growth, okay, in your career, in your business, and so many use cases. That's the main point I want you to understand. Tools aate jaate rahenge, but the fundamentals, the concepts will remain the same, right? So how many of you think this is going to make your life so easy? Type easy in the chat section, right? Type easy in the chat section if you think this is going to help your life, if it's going to make easy for you to create content on LinkedIn. Just use a tool, give the topic, select the template, create the content, post it on LinkedIn. How easy it is. It cannot get easier than this, right? It's easy and fast, right? Some of you are saying on interesting. How many of you think that was easy? It's crazy easy, right? Awesome. Awesome. Thanks for that. Super easy, super fast, right? Definitely. So you see, this is how it looks like, right? So the name of this tool, I'll be sharing that. Anyways, you can just check out. You can just go to Google and search for this aicarousels.com free LinkedIn post generator. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing the URL at the end of the masterclass in one document, so that you will be able to refer it later as well. Awesome. So I hope you are enjoying and you're learning a lot in this masterclass, right? Awesome. And by the way, you can learn like this to create content for your Instagram, Facebook, for your YouTube, and for your Twitter handles as well. You can create content on this. In fact, we cannot cover all this. I just gave you a demo of what kind of AI tools and prompts you can use. In fact, if you really wish to continue learning later, okay, and really create content, so I told you, right, we have this advanced program and advanced community, community where people keep on learning. So you'll get access to this entire detailed course where I'll be teaching with you about how to create content for different platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. How can you write blog articles? How can you do landing pages, websites, all of that? So anything to do with content, everything is going to be covered basically in that program. So you can just stay excited and stay curious. You'll have the opportunity to join this later. Okay. So this is about LinkedIn. Now you can understand if you can create videos, the scripts, topics, video subtitles, all of that using AI is going to be exciting, right? Now, let me share with you some amazing other exciting things. All right. There are so many ways I can keep going on, but I'm going to share with you some tools which you can immediately implement. That's my point. I don't want you to learn theoretically. I really want you to implement it immediately, right? So what are we going to do? So listen this out. For reading an email and replying to an email, how much time do you usually take? एक email को पढ़ के उसको think करके email reply करने को how much time do you take? Is it 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Average length email. How much time do you take? How much time do you take? 5 minutes, right? Some of you are saying 5 minutes, some of you are saying 10 minutes, some of you are saying like 5 to 10 minutes. Many of you are saying like on an average 5 to 10 minutes, right? 5 to 10 minutes, right? Based on the content of the business, certainly, obviously. But I'm saying average length email hai, acha average length ka email hai, right? So how much time do you take? Come on, let me know in the chat section. Come on, let's be active here. Let's be active. Okay, because the simple act of writing out in the chat section will help you focus more. Okay, it will help you grasp things more. Come on, let me know in the chat. 5 to 10 minutes, right? What if I can show you a tool which can help you do that literally in seconds? Literally in seconds. You don't need to be, taking stress about replying to any emails, whether it be on Google's Gmail or Microsoft Outlook or any of the platforms. I'm going to share with you a tool that can help you reply to emails and save you minimum half an hour every day. Minimum half an hour every day. So that's like how much? 2 to 3 hours per week. So I'll just show you that how to use this tool and which tool it is that I'm talking about. Tools really don't matter much. I want you to understand the concept, the possibility, the use cases for which you can use AI. Okay. For example, let me open any one of the email and I'll show you that. Okay. For example, okay, let me show you. So this is an email. Okay, this is an email which say I've got. It's a quite a big email, and say I want to reply to this email. I want to read this and I want to reply to this email. But how do I do that? How do I do that? So you see, I've installed a lot of Chrome extensions. If you see all over my place, all over my Gmail, there are a lot of Chrome extensions. Can you see that? You see summarize. This is a Chrome extension, basically an AI tool. This is an AI tool. This is an AI tool, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to click on AI reply. Okay. Say for example, I'm going to say, I want to reply to this. I'm going to say, okay, thanks for info. I'm interested. Okay. For example, this person has sent me some details and he's asking me, are you interested in all of that? So I'm just saying, reply to this email that thanks for the info. I'm interested. That's it. Now you see, I'm going to just hit enter. And this tool is now generating an email reply for me. Can you see that? It has generated an email reply. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this, paste here. Can you see that? This AI tool helped me write an email reply in seconds. I did not write it. I'm just going to hit send here. That's it. Right? So the name of this tool is called Monica, Monica. Okay, Monica AI tool. There are so many other tools as well. If I click on say, again, I want to reply this. You see, there are so many AI tools that can be used. Even Google has their own inbuilt tool for this, right? But you can use this tool called Monica AI, which is quite helpful. I'll show you this. So this is the tool, Monica AI, which you can use for a lot of use cases, not only for email, but there are so many use cases for image generation and translation and email, so many other things, content creation as well. So you can take a look at this tool called Monica AI tool. So website of this tool is Monica Monica.im. So just can you see that? I replied to that email just like that in just few seconds with a single click. It saved me at least 5 to 10 minutes. If I would have taken a normal way, I would have read it, I would have thought about it, I would have replied to it, I would have taken at least 5 to 10 minutes. But I did it literally in under 30 seconds. That's the power of AI tools. That's the power of magical AI tools, right? Now, let me know in the chat section, what do you think, how much time this tool can help you save on a daily basis? Let me know in the chat section, please. How much time can this tool help you save on a daily basis when you have to reply to a lot of emails? What do you think? Let me know in the chat section, please. How much time? 1 hour, right? 2 hours. Some of you are saying 2 hours, 1 hour. Some of you are saying, 2 hours, right? 1 to 2 hours. Can you see that? I just told you before explaining this tool, it will help you save minimum half an hour. And you guys are saying 1 or 2 hours, more than that, right? Most of the time, right? How to integrate? It's just simple. It's very simple. It's very, very simple, right? Most of the time, many of you are saying most of the time, 2 hours, 1 hour. You just go to this tool called Monica.im, install the Chrome extension. Okay. They have a free Chrome extension that you can install. You can start using this tool completely free of cost. Once you install the Chrome extension of this tool, you will be able to see that in your email, basically Gmail by default, यहाँ पर automatically आपको you open any email and you'll be able to see this icon summarize or in AI reply and just click on that. Simple. आपको एक बटन दिखेगा, सिर्फ उसको क्लिक करके आपको reply generate करोगे. Awesome. So these are like, many use cases for which you can use AI tools. This is just one use case, say drafting emails, you can summarize YouTube videos, you can do accelerated learning, even for the people who are in academics or students, you can use it for writing research papers, practicing for your exams, you can generate books, articles, and so many other things, okay? And even the stock market analysis, you can do stock market analysis as well using AI tools, okay? There are some advanced AI tools for that as well, okay? Now, how many of you would love to learn how to build a website using AI? A quick website in, a website using AI for your use cases. How many of you would love to learn that? How to build a website using AI? For your personal portfolio website or for any other use case, let me know in the chat, please. Let me know in the chat, please. How many of you would love to learn? And I'm going to share with you a tool which can help you build a website. Build a website, literally, in under a few minutes. In under a few minutes. I know it sounds crazy, right? It sounds crazy to really think about it. कि ये सच में हो सकता है क्या? But that's the power of AI, right? I really want you to think. You see, as I've been telling you in the last couple of minutes that we are together, okay? You see, AI tools, I'm going to share with you few AI tools. I cannot explain hundreds of AI tools in this, say, 60 to 90 minutes that we are together. Okay? So AI tools will come and go. What I truly want you to understand is, by the end of this masterclass, commit to learning about AI tools so that you can use those in your career use cases, right from email drafting, almost for majority of use cases you can think of. I would say 80 to 85% of the use cases, you can use AI tools, okay? So that you become AI skilled. And once you become AI skilled, the career opportunities will grow, the business opportunities will grow, the income opportunities will grow, okay? So make sure that is what you get out of this masterclass. Okay, don't be after AI tools कि मुझे ये AI tools सीखना, वो AI tools. Certainly you should learn a lot of AI tools, but the fundamental is to learn the concepts, learn the fundamentals of why you should be learning AI tools. Now, for example, a use case of website building, maybe for your own use case, or you're doing freelancing, or you want to do freelancing, and you want to sell websites to your clients. You can use AI tools like this that I'm going to be explaining in the next 1 minute for creating websites and selling those websites. Okay. AI has made that possible. Earlier, ये possible नहीं था. You had to spend minimum 20,000-30,000 rupees, to hire a good website agency or a developer and get the websites done for you. Okay, a good quality website. But with AI, it's so easy. You see, I'm going to share with you a tool called Durable.co, Durable.co, a tool which can help you build websites in minutes. So I'm going to come to this website, click on this button called Generate Your Website. And what it's going to do is, it's going to ask me what kind of a website do I want to build. Okay. So I'm going to say I run a digital marketing agency and I want to build a website around that. So I'll say, or you can type whatever you want. Okay. It supports most of the use cases. I'm going to say digital marketing agency. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to put on the location. I'm going to say the name of the business says Growthify. That's it. I'm going And by the way, if you see some suggestions, it's going to give you some name suggestions as well. Okay, but I have a name, so I'm going to click on generate a website. See, this tool is going to generate that website in next few moments. Can you see that? I'm not doing anything. See the magic right in front of your eyes. Right in front of your eyes. This tool is generating the website. Can you see the percentage completion here at the bottom? This tool is generating a website for my digital marketing agency company. Okay, it's almost done.